Now, I personally made all this money in my Phantom wallet purely from deving, bro, not by trading, and that's exactly why I'm making this video. I will be doing a live tutorial on how to dev coins, and then we will see how much we make in this video. Keep watching, it's going to be actually insane. Now in 2026, bro, the most profitable thing that you can do is deving meme coins, not trading. The reason why you have to be avoiding trading is because, bro, most of these coins, when you buy them, they just go to zero, just like this coin, bro. It went up and then the dev dumped on everyone, and for this exact reason I stopped trading and I started being the dev myself. Now I am the one launching these coins and then profiting from all the buyers and the insane narrative that I made on the coin, okay? Now in today's video, bro, I will do a live example on how to launch these kinds of meme coins on the Solana blockchain, and then obviously how to market it and how to cash out at the very end, okay? So if you are interested and you are tired of losing money from trading and you want something brand new to start doing, well, this video is perfectly made for you, okay? I am not here to sell you a course. I'm just here to be straight up with you and show you how it's done. Okay, anyways, this video is not going to go viral, let's be honest here. So it doesn't matter if around 100 people start using this method, okay? But if it does go viral, well, we all might be cooked. Anyways, let's get right into the video. And by the way, bro, this entire video is made for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so please, bro, just do your own research. Cap! Now, most people make their coins on Pump.Fun. I would say around 80% of all the devs are making coins on Pump.Fun, and another 10% make their coins on BNB and on other chains, and the other 10% are smart and they are launching directly to Raydium. Now, let me be straight up with you, bro. Launching coins on Pump.Fun is a waste of time. It's over competitive and it's oversaturated, and also, bro, you don't control your coins on your coin, so you can't burn them and you cannot cash out whenever the fuck you want because Pump.Fun controls it. So you have to be using Raydium and you have to be launching your coins directly to Raydium, because here is where all the volume is and here is how you make your coin viral. Okay, it's by launching coins to Raydium, or in other words, in the migrate section, it's the same exact thing. Now to reach that point, you could either make a coin on Pump.Fun and then it has to reach a $45,000 market cap, or you can launch your coins on create Meme.io and it will be immediately created and launched to the Raydium DEX. And that's exactly why a bunch of people are gatekeeping create Meme.io, because it goes directly to Raydium. You are skipping every single requirement possible on Pump.Fun and you're going directly to Raydium right here in the migrate section, bro. It's really fucking untapped, and to make a coin you could either create one from scratch, or there's a second method, and that is the copy trending coins tab. Basically all these coins are going viral right now on Pump.Fun. Every single coin here is handpicked and placed on this list. If you want new coins, you can click on refresh, and basically, bro, the method here is to copy a coin here that is already going viral onto the Raydium DEX directly, and then since you already have a good narrative because you copied a viral coin, well, you have a higher chance of converting a bunch of people into your coin, and that's exactly how you profit from copying trending coins, bro. I will do an example to show you how it's done, but if you want to create a coin from scratch, I would highly recommend to find narratives on X, but that's up to you, bro. Creating coins has a lower win rate. I would highly recommend to start copying coins. Alright guys, now it's time to actually copy a coin and then see how much we can make from this launch officially. So you better keep watching, bro, till the end. It's going to be really educational. Now first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected, right? Like that you can transact with the blockchain, right? Then click on refresh and look for a coin to copy. I'm going to copy the cloud coin, click copy the Raydium, wait for your Phantom wallet to show up, and then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be copied, okay? You just gotta give it a couple seconds for it to load and then create on chain, and boom, now it's time to create our liquidity pool. Now this page right here is where we create the liquidity pool for the cloud coin, and then it will show up to Raydium instantly viewed to thousands of people on the spot. Now this right here is really important because this is a shortcut to Raydium. If you do not understand it, it's not a big deal. Just keep watching and follow the steps. Now right here for the first step, click on 90%. I would highly recommend anywhere from 90 to 95% for the supply. Right under for the amount of sold to pair, that's the first buy in your own coin. You are not losing anything here since you are the creator. So once you cash out later, this SOL will come back in your Phantom wallet within all the profits. Okay, I'm gonna put 0.3 SOL right here. You are not losing this, you will get this back later. It's just a first buy to exchange for supply for yourself. Click create pool, wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up. Why is it not coming? Yes sir, boom. And then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. And when that is done, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down and bang, bro, the cloud coin is now live. Your profits and P&L are going to be right there. And for instance, if you click on the refresh button, well, the whole post tab will refresh and bang, we're already up $168 in profits because people are now investing and aping in our coin that we just launched. Click view on Photon to see the chart or Axiom, it's up to you. Let me go on full screen for a better view of the coin. Now it should load in a couple seconds, just give it some time, it's fucking slow. And as you guys can see here, bro, a bunch of people are aping in. We're already up like $200. A bunch of people are aping in. $55 buy right here within seconds. Bro, these are all organic people, all just seeing our coin and then aping in, okay? Like, that's absolutely insane, bro. We made this coin for literally free, and then a bunch of people are just aping in, just like that. That's because we have a good narrative since we copied it, right? This narrative went viral before, so why wouldn't it go viral right now? Well, yeah. 1.7k market cap, 1.1 liquidity, things are looking great. I'm gonna give this coin a couple minutes. When I come back, we will cash out. You guys will see how. Alright guys, I am back and we are at a 1.8k liquidity and a lot of people bought and sold the coin. As you guys can see, the chart has been going on for like around 10 minutes. Now it's time to cash out. Come back to create meme.io and then click on the refresh button right here. And as you guys can see, bro, 1.9k is our profits. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up. And as you guys can see here, bro, we are going to receive around 22 Solana. Click on confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how you cash out on your meme coin using create meme.io. Now look, if I open my Phantom wallet, bang, I received the funds immediately since we confirmed it in Phantom. And as you guys can see, bro, on our coin we made $1.9 thousand. Now the results will vary from one to the other. You might make $5,000, $100, $220, $50, $500, you never know, but that's exactly what makes deving meme coins so fun. You never know what will happen, bro. Now it's up to you to do whatever the fuck you want with this information. Create meme.io will be linked everywhere, bro. It's the only legit site out here, so be aware of all these scams. Anyways, bro, it's up to you. It's all for educational purposes only. Good luck to everyone and join my Discord.